In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix variants not showing on your Shopify store. So if you have imported the products into your Shopify store, you have added the products, but when you click on the product page, it doesn't show variants like this. Now I'm gonna be showing you how you can fix this. Now, if it's related to your theme, like probably recently you have added a code, custom code, or you have downloaded an app that caused this problem. Like assuming you already added variants. Now to add variants, you just need to click on products. Then you want to click on the title of the product. And here you will be able to see variants if you have them. Like if you have variants, if you have added variants to your product, you will be able to see them here. Now, if you haven't done that already, you want to click on add variant, and then you want to add here, for example, color or yellow color, for example, and then you want to add the image here and the price for this specific variant. And then you can do that. You can add as many variants as you want. Now, assuming you already added the variants, but they are not showing anymore. Now, if it's related to your theme, you want to click on online store, and then you want to click on custom, after you are here, online store, themes, you want to click on import theme, and then click on visit theme store. Now, after that, you want to click on view all, and here you want to search for down theme. Now, don't worry, you will not lose any data or anything, like you will not lose anything. You could just try this and then go back to your original theme. We just want to make sure if it's related to your theme. Now, if you download now this down theme, and then the variant option is now showing and people can select different colors, different sizes, that means it's related to your theme. Probably you have added a code, or you have, for example, downloaded an app that caused this problem. Click on add, okay? After that, it says here adding down theme to your online themes. Now after that, you will be able to find it here. Scroll down, okay? Just scroll down, and then you want to click on publish. Next to down theme, you want to click on publish. Now after that, click on publish. You can always go back to your original theme by clicking. You will be able to see it here. Your original theme will now appear here. Just go back to online store themes, and then click on publish. It will go back to your original theme. Now, what I want you to do now, after you publish down theme, you want to go to products and see if the variant option now is showing. Okay, that's all you need to do just to make sure that it's related to your theme or not. If you cannot see here any variants, that means it's not related to your theme. Now, another way is if it's related to your inventory, you want to click on the title of the product. Click on products, the title of the products. After that, you want to check the variant you have a problem with. For example, this one, you want to click on three little dots and then select continue selling when out of stock. Now, for example, let me show you what I mean. Okay, so you just need to click on variant, on the variant, and then you want to click here. Just go back and then select all variants, and then click on bulk edit. And here you want to click on this, and then search here if you can find continue selling when out of stock. Click on it here. Okay, so after you click continue selling when out of stock, you want to check all these boxes, all the products you have a problem with, and then click on save. And then now check if you are able now to select different variants on your Shopify store. Now, another way is you want to click on online store, and after that you want to click on customize, and after that you want to search here in the top homepage. You want to click on products, find the product, and after that you want to scroll down a little bit, see if you can find here variants, the color size. Click on it and check if it's enabled or not. Now here in the top right left, click on this arrow here, And as you can see, make sure you have here variant picker. If you don't have it, you want to add it. Okay, let me know in the comments if you have any questions, by the way. Like, make sure you have here variant picker, you see it here. Then after that, you want to click save. Now if you cannot like fix this, contact me on Instagram directly. I will fix this for you. As you can see, this is my own Instagram account. I will fix this problem for you. Now another way is to contact Shopify directly. Just search for contact Shopify store, like contact Shopify customer service. You just need to give here the reason, and then you will be able to see if you can get an answer for it. Okay, here you can get all the solutions. As you can see, if this doesn't work, click on chat with us, and then you will be able to talk to a real human. Usually takes 5 minutes, typically less than 5 minutes. Then you can talk to someone who is going to check your store and see exactly what they can do for you. Now I hope this tutorial helped you. If it does, please drop a like. That would be highly appreciated. See you in the next tutorial.